Oh, crap. Well, something else to fix. Hello, my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Coming to you from my trophy wife's Honda CR-V here. She drove home yesterday, said, "Hey, you gotta go look at my car. There's something wrong with it." I'm like, "What do you mean?" So I go out there, and of course, we see the mirror hanging off of here. Pretty common issue, so it's a pretty simple fix. I'll try to keep a nice short video here, and I'll try to shut up and get fixing it. Newer mirrors like this have a plug-in because they run different things. This one I think runs a compass or I don't know, whatever, but you need to unplug it. And let me see if we can hold this like we hold the beers when we're driving, right between your legs. What? No one does that. There you go. Very simple unplug. Just squeeze that piece, unplug it. We'll take this into the workshop and I'll show you how to get this off of here and what we use to put it back on. First thing you want to do when you get that call from your old lady, your beautiful trophy wife, is to tell her that everything is going to be all right and you're going to take care of it. And then the second thing you need to do is to go purchase one of these rear view mirror adhesive kits. Don't try to use double-sided tape or super glue or any of that stuff. This is the way to go right here. Next thing you want to do is remove this little metal piece here. That's what holds this mirror on. On the Honda, at least, it is a Torx T20 Torx. So we're going to remove that. And you want to remember the orientation of this, because if you glue this thing on with this side to the windshield, well, you're not going to fit on there. If you glue it on upside down, it's not going to fit on there. So make sure you know which direction this thing goes. And the best thing to do with that is to use your purple Sharpie and put an arrow on the outside of it. How's that? Artistic? Next step you're going to want to do is to go into the car and using a razor blade, razor scraper, whatever you might have, scrape all the old adhesive off the inside of the windshield. And then you're also going to want to clean the adhesive off of this metal tab. This one's got kind of like almost like a sticker type thing that's coming off. I can kind of peel it. Oops. Right on camera, drop it. I can kind of peel it off, but whatever you need to do, you need to get this thing clean. And then RTFM, read the freaking manual. So there's instructions on here on how to use these. I am not going to cover the instructions unless you buy this exact same kit. Your instructions may be different, but this one is kind of like a two-part deal here. It's like an epoxy, so this is a cleaner and an activator. So however your kit says to do it, but on this one, I guess I'll show you how to do it. I'm not going to go over all the steps, but just please read how to use these. And another step I'm going to do is I am going to lay some sandpaper down here on my granite slab, and I'm going to sand this a little bit to get it extra clean. And I'm also going to, before I use that cleaner activator, I'm going to clean everything with isopropyl alcohol as well. Just as some additional steps that aren't in the manual, but hopefully they don't bite me in the ass. According to the directions here, we're supposed to open this cleaner activator deal. It's supposed to open up like that. Oops, there we go. And then we're supposed to clean this area really well. Along with our metallic button which I'm going to do off camera. Supposed to wait 1 minute after the activator has been applied, and then open your adhesive. You're supposed to break the tip off. I used my knife. Apply 1 drop to the center. Fairly good sized drop. And then apply this to the windshield. This is where our arrow will come in handy. See that arrow? All right, let me get a good handle on this here. And push it on here and hold it for 30 seconds to a minute. I'm gonna shut the camera off because it's hard for me to hold this and hold that. Yeah, it looks so beautiful up in its new home up there. The instructions say it's supposed to be 30 minutes before you put the rear view mirror on, but I think I am just gonna wait till tomorrow. So we'll see you then. Miss me? All right, we'll see you soon. Day 2, and what a beautiful day it is. We're still on there, which is always a good sign. God, I would hope it wouldn't fall off with no mirror attached to it. So first thing we gotta do is plug our mirror back in here. If you're driving a 1950s car, you won't have that problem. Slide the mirror back onto our little post. And using our, here we go, what did I call it? T20 Torx. Get up underneath here somewhere. Tighten up that little set screw. And then remove the camera from your steering wheel perch. Yeah, if you're wondering, I had the camera attached to the steering wheel with my awesome little bendy deal. And that's it. Sorry about the fingers in front of the camera. Hey, look at that guy. Hi. I'm a little crooked there, sorry about that. All right, so pretty easy job. Make sure you pick up the correct adhesive. Like I said, super glue probably ain't gonna cut it. Double-sided tape ain't gonna cut it, but as most things in life, if you RTFM, read the freaking manual, and watch Tom's Tinkering Adventures, you can figure it out. If you're digging what I'm putting out, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.